Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This is Yvonne from IB Electronic Company Limited. Today we'll talk about how to patch components during SMT. As the most critical and complex equipment in the entire SMT production, the automatic SMT machine is used to realize the high speed and high precision automatic placement of components. The equipment used in our factory is Yamaha brand YSM20R high-speed motor and YSM10 multifunction motor. Their working principle is as follows. After the PCB enters the track, the camera of the motor recognizes the mark point for automatic filling and precisioning. After setting the precision according to the programming of the motor, the required component is attached to the PCB designator by moving the holder. The PCB board will be transferred to the next process after finishing the surface mounting. So this is the working principle of surface mounting devices. Do you get it? Follow us to get more information. Bye!